All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have Ira's gorgeous G-Wagon. Check out these wheels. I mean, it is just absolutely gorgeous. They're massive, first of all. Two, they're black with the silver tone, so it matches the body and the trim, so it just kind of ties it all together. They have floating center caps, so basically like a Rolls Royce or that type of car. The wheel spins, but the logo stays fixed. It does not move. We did a full stereo upgrade on this vehicle. So it's a great car, but the stereo's bad. And the infotainment system is bad. So we ended up swapping out the radio, all the speakers, and building a custom enclosure. We'll walk you through all that. All right, so on this vehicle, we ended up going with 7-inch component set. So the nice thing about this car is that the door woofers, we can actually get in a 7-inch driver. So typically, most cars are 6.5. On this one, we're able to get a 7-inch driver. Now, that doesn't seem like a huge difference, right? But it makes a ton of difference. There's way more mid-bass and volume. And the nice thing is it's 7-inch components, both front and rear. So the 7-inch driver goes in the door, and then the tweeters go up in the corners, which is not easy to do. A lot of places make pillars or they mount the tweeters up here because it is very difficult to get these pieces off. Ideally, you're supposed to remove the dash in order to do it. There is a way to do it without doing that, but it is still not an easy task. We ended up swapping out the deck for this Sony 10-inch. Part of the reason is because it has a really thin profile. So we did that in order for it to sink it as far back as possible and make it look as if it could have came with the vehicle. And then bass knob, typically we would put it on the column, but on this vehicle, this column is very tight to the column itself and there isn't enough room in there. So the client wanted it right here. You have the bass knob, so it's super easy to get to, and it still allows you to control everything. We added a backup camera, so now the client has backup camera as well. So this radio also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you pair your phone, boom, now you have all the modern conveniences of a brand new car. He likes it loud. He loves his music, loves cars, loves music, my kind of guy. So we added two 12s. So this has two 12-inch subwoofers in this down-firing enclosure. So the nice thing is it goes end to end. It's got the feet, so it's standing off of the ground. The woofers actually fire down. And then we did the AMG logo in this tone-on-tone, you know, shiny black, matte black to match the paint scheme of the car. So, and you can still throw anything you want on it. So if the client has tools, his gear, whatever, anything he wants, they can throw on the vehicle. It's just super clean, super functional. Plus the enclosure is removable. As always, if you wanted to, you just take the enclosure out, unplug it with one of our PowerWorks, remove the enclosure, do what you got to do. When you're ready, you come on back, plug it back in, drop it back in. Beautiful. You don't lose any functionality of the vehicle. And as far as the amplifiers, the stock amplifier normally lives here under the seat. So what we did is we built this composite panel which bolts to the factory bolts. So it slides in and then you put in your factory bolts. This is the 5-channel amplifier. That's the bass knob. And then the nice thing is it gives us all our controls. So if we ever have to make any adjustments, we just slide the seat forward and we can adjust any of the controls. Also, if we need to service it, we just remove these two bolts and we can remove the entire assembly. So doing it this way makes it really nice because we're not taking up any additional space in the vehicle. It is definitely way more work to do it this way, but functionally it works much better because we're not taking up any space in the client's car. If he pulls the box, you would not know that this car has an aftermarket stereo, obviously other than the radio itself, but it keeps it all fully functional.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.